The doctor will see you now. Hey, all right. The last guy didn't over tighten this like a jerk. Same thing. Lefty loosey. That's too many foot pounds. Oh, okay. Okay. Booyah! It's very satisfying. I wish it was chocolate syrup. Hey, they didn't even put a washer on this. Those freaking Toyota guys. Alright, gotta wipe the little pee-pee hole. Let's try not to drop this. Car stuff is just a lot of turning. Righty-tighty. Okay, 30 foot-pounds. Yep. Click, click. All right. Let's just test that. Aha! 30 foot-pounds! 5.5. Whatever, I think it's fun. Alright, the FJ needed that. Put a couple more miles on it recently. I convinced Buddy we should go camping again. Let's go camping. Want to go camping? He seemed a little reluctant, but I was like, dude, let's go see Uncle Dwayne and Cousin Jim. And he was like, I'm in. So we had a long drive up to Fort Bragg. The plan was to meet our family adventure crew up at MacKerricher State Park, where we would kick off a couple nights of off-roading and camping. That's your friend. That's your friend. You can play. Let's go.
Welcome. Channel mode.
Channel mode.
Radio check.
Nope. So TX is transmit, right?
Hey, buddy, you got anything to say? Oh, my bad. Go back to sleep.
Welcome. Channel mode.
Look, come on. Donkey.
Find the seals?
Oh, that's okay.
Whoa. Hang on, buddy. Oh, nice little fern situation. Nice. What a good boy. Such a good boy. Yeah. There's a guy on the road.
Good spot. Good spot, doggo. Could be a good sunset too. Let's go for it. It's a good
He has
job.
pooped at every campsite so far. He just wants to feel superior and
Yeah,
up on the
taller.
rock.
Yeah. It's the elevated position. Good strategic move.
Can you pounce from there?
Look, he's all
Dum dum.
He's actually laying down.
This guy's chilling. Let's go get him. What's the play? Just play.
It's all playing. How'd that go?
You don't like wine. That's Jim's review. We should do a thing every time we go out. We have you try a new wine. It's not that bad. It's kind of gross.
It's pretty gross. Yeah, it's pretty gross.
It's the only wine we have with the screw top on the middle shelf.
I think I expected it to taste more like grape juice.
No, it doesn't. No, it tastes like grape juice that someone has pooped out.
That's pretty gross.
Flamin' hot Doritos. Eat that. Yeah, look at it go. That'll start your fire.
Yeah, totally.
A Dorito.
Too, yeah.
Dang. Oh, is that it? That's the spot? There we go. Good night, buddy. Four kids in your family.
I mean, you can't go nowhere down there.
Wookster. Oh, ribeye action in the pit. In there, baby. Oh, a little crispy. There we go. Oh, baby.
Good eye, Allie. Does it work?
Yeah, last night was the same thing. I think my toes get more cold than the rest of my toes are What do you want? What can I do for you? That's because Jim. Because Jim's legs are hot. He's too close to the fire. You feel it though. You're good, huh? Because you're a good boy. You go camping. Yeah. Yeah, you're a good boy. You go camping. Good job, buddy. Good job. Oh, Tony Stark over here. That was cool. Wow, that was that was way cooler than anything I was doing. One more. That was cool.
It's not turning around.